There were total 4 rounds. The first one was written, in which approximately 120 students sat. The written round consisted of basic aptitude, quant, DI and English, in which DI and English were stressed upon. Then the second round was GD, in which approximately 65 students were selected. My topic for GD was does India need a dictator to remove corruption completely? And after that we had two interview rounds. One was technical and the other one was HR. After the GD round, approximately 30 students were selected for the interviews. The first interview round was technical. As I entered, there was just one person to interview me. He asked me firstly about my about my background. So I told him about my family, about my educational background and my hobbies. And then he asked me why did I select engineering, and I told him about parental pressure. Basically, he just wanted us to be very honest, and that is what I was being there. And then he asked me about my internship, which I did from IIM Ahmedabad. And he asked me everything about the project, the mentor, and since he knew my mentor, he became more friendly. And then also he was fascinated by my hometown, which is Shillong. So again, he tried to make me more comfortable. He asked me every specific detail about my project and also the other academic projects which I have done in the college. Then he asked me why my CG is low. So I told him that I basically concentrated on other aspects also to develop my personality, including all the co-curricular activities, and so I did not pay attention to my CG. Then he asked me a very out-of-the-box question, do I get bored easily? And this is a very negative question, so I answered yes. And then I explained him that yes, I do get bored easily, but I like to spice up things. And I gave him an example that all my 5 projects which I did in the college were based on PHP, and I did it on different platforms so that I don't get bored. I also told him that all my vacations were utilized in some way or the other. Like one vacation I went to Tata Jagriti Yatra, in the other vacations I did a training in National Informatics Center, and so he was very impressed. Besides the technical questions from my projects, he also asked me questions on like what is a database, what is normalization, and depending on my answers he cross-questioned me and I answered all of them well. Then he asked me a question as like tell me about a time when you had to struggle a lot to achieve your goal, and I told him about my second year project which I did in NIC, where I had no clue about the project, and it was a very tough project and I was all alone, so I had to struggle and I learned a lot from that project. And I also mentioned on the personal front, I also mentioned about my IIM Ahmedabad days where we did not have a com and food and the summer heat and everything, and the interns had to struggle. Then, highly impressed by my interview, he asked me that I can leave, and I told him I wanted to ask him a question. He told me that not one but two, and I asked him if there are any qualifications required if I am recruited by the company before joining, and he said there is nothing as such because they will provide us training, and so just to enjoy my college life. And then I asked him if traveling is involved in my work, since I love traveling. So he told me that for the first year there will not be any traveling involved, but after the first year if I prove myself, there will be lots and lots of traveling involved. And I also asked him if I can ask a third question, and he agreed, and I asked him the salary structure, which he explained me in details. Then I had my HR interview, in which firstly I was asked how was my previous interview, to which I replied it was good, and the interviewer was very friendly and I went on and on and on. Then he asked me, do I regret saying anything, and I said no. And then he asked me if there is anything I regret in my life, and I told there is nothing which I regret because I've learned from my past mistakes. Besides the general questions like tell me about yourself and internship and all, he asked me that if we select you, what will be the first thing you will do? And I said that the first thing I will do will be, I'll be very happy, I'll call up my mom and dad, and then I will update my FP status. And he smiled at me, and then he asked me like, what if I don't select you? And then I said again, I'll be sad, obviously very sad. I'll tell my parents that I'm not selected. And then he asked me, what about your FP status? And I said, obviously I will not update it. For consulting firms, I would suggest we should have a good convincing part, good communication skills, fluency in English, and we should know how to interact. And very special tip for girls, they should know how to smile. So just keep smiling, be confident, and be honest in every answer. Even if you don't know, just say it, be frank. And last but not the least, try to divert the interviewer towards your strong points. Like in my case, as soon as he was trying to go towards my CG, I tried to divert him to my hobbies and my projects and my Jagriti Yatra experience.